Good morning, everyone. You are listening Vinay Kumar, your news anchor from Lavapara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. Today's news is about coronavirus vaccine. Coronavirus vaccine India. Zydus Cadilla's COVID-19 vaccine may be available by early 2021, suggests report. Zydus Cadilla's COVID-19 vaccine may be available by early 2021. As the novel coronavirus continues to spread at an alarming rate across the globe, India has crossed the toll of 1 million COVID-19 cases as of now, becoming the world's third worst hit nation by the highly infectious contagion. In fact, a record-breaking number of 34,956 coronavirus positive cases were reported yesterday, taking the total number of infections in the country past the 10 lakh mark. Meanwhile, scientists and medical experts are working around the clock to develop vaccine fit for human use in order to contain the highly infectious contagion. The two indigenous COVID-19 vaccine. While globally 3 vaccine candidates have entered the last phase of clinical trials in the battle against novel coronavirus, India too is making strides in developing a vaccine for coronavirus. As of now, there are two indigenous vaccines there, which are highly in phase 1 or 2 of clinical trials, namely Covaxin being developed by Bharat Biotech and ZCoV-D being developed by Zydus Cadila. India vaccine candidates clinical trials have begun. Soon after the phase 1 of trials of Covaxin started in 12 medical institutions across India, India's second vaccine candidate, Zydus Cadilla's novel ZyCoV-D, received approval from the authorities for commencing phase 1 and 2 trial. The human trial of Zydus plasma DNA vaccine have already begun on Wednesday in various trial centers across the nations. It is being reported that thousands of volunteers will take part in the preliminary trials. The development of ZyCoV-D by Zydus. As per the report, the vaccine candidates ZyCoV-D, which have developed by the Vaccine Technology Center in Ahmedabad, showed significant immune system response in its preclinical trials, which was done on rabbits, rats, mice, and guinea pigs to test the safety and efficiency of the vaccine candidate. To develop the potential vaccine, the company made use of two different approaches. The first was use the viral protection protein of the coronavirus to trigger an immune response in the body, and another was to use liver attenuated recombinant muscle virus to produce a vaccine by COVID-19. They eventually finalized the plasma DNA vaccine candidate. COVID vaccine may be out in the market by early 2021. Shedding more light on the tentative date of the availability of the vaccine for the general public, Pankaj Patel, who is the chairman of Zydus Cadila, said the vaccine candidate for the novel coronavirus may be ready for launch in 2021 in early. Speaking to Money Control, Mr. Patel shared, "We are expecting the phase 1 and phase 2 studies to be completed in 3 months." That is from today. I, Vinay Kumar, come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.